Thanks to the openness of the Android operating system, any manufacturer can modify the source code before installing it on a device, and also pre-install extra application and system partition, often for product differentiation, and allow the partners to do the same. This has created a vast supply chain that is completely opaque to the user. Android was released more than 10 years ago, and yet no study has systematically analyzed the supply chain and the actors forming it and their practices. In our paper, we collected and studied more than 82,000 pre-installed applications for more than 200 vendors and shed light on this ecosystem. We have found hundreds of companies involved in the supply chain of Android devices, as well as potential cases of personal data collection and harmful behaviors. Overall, our results show a disturbing lack of transparency. We show that there is almost no control in the Android supply chain. Even worse, it's almost impossible in most cases to attribute with certainty an application to a given company. With this study, we hope to bring more attention to this issue and hopefully make the whole Android ecosystem safer for users.